Welcome to the world of Go operators. In this video, you'll learn how to master arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations in Go. These operations are fundamental building blocks for any Go program, allowing you to perform calculations, make decisions, and manipulate data effectively. Let's start with arithmetic operators. These operators are used to perform mathematical calculations in Go. The basic arithmetic operators include addition, which is represented by the plus symbol, subtraction, represented by the minus symbol, and multiplication, represented by the asterisk symbol. Addition is used to sum values, subtraction is used to find the difference between values, and multiplication is used to find the product of values. Now let's discuss division and modulus operators. The division operator, represented by a /, gives you the quotient, which is the result of dividing two numbers. For example, if we have a equals 10 and b equals 3, then the result of a divided by b would be 3 because 3 goes into 10 3 times. The modulus operator, represented by the % symbol, gives you the remainder of a division. In the same example, a modulus b would be 1 because after dividing 10 by 3, you have a remainder of 1. Next up are comparison operators. These operators are used to compare two values and return a boolean value, which is either true or false. The equality operator, represented by two equal symbols, checks if two values are equal. The not equal operator, represented by an exclamation point followed by an equals symbol, checks if two values are different. The less than operator, represented by the less than symbol, checks if the left value is smaller than the right value. The greater than operator, represented by the greater than symbol, checks if the left value is larger than the right value. The less than or equal to operator, represented by the less than symbol followed by the equals symbol, checks if the left value is smaller than or equal to the right value. Finally, the greater than or equal to operator, represented by the greater than symbol followed by the equals symbol, checks if the left value is larger than or equal to the right value. Now let's explore logical operators. These operators are used to combine multiple Boolean expressions into a single Boolean value. The AND operator, represented by two ampersands, returns true only if both conditions are true. The OR operator, represented by two vertical bars, returns true if either condition is true. The NOT operator, represented by an exclamation point, negates a condition, meaning it returns true if the condition is false and vice versa. Let's understand assignment operators. These operators are used to assign values to variables. The basic assignment operator, represented by a single equals symbol, simply assigns the value on the right to the variable on the left. In addition to basic assignment, there are shorthand assignment operators that combine an arithmetic operation with assignment. For example, the add and assign operator, represented by a plus symbol followed by an equals symbol, adds the value on the right to the variable on the left and assigns the result back to the variable. Similarly, the subtract and assign operator, multiply and assign operator, divide and assign operator, and modulus and assign operator perform the corresponding arithmetic operation and assignment. It's important to understand operator precedence. Operator precedence determines the order in which operators are evaluated in an expression. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. In Go, the precedence of operators from highest to lowest is as follows: first, multiplication, division, and modulus; second, addition and subtraction; third, comparison operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to; fourth, equality operators like equals and not equals; fifth, the AND operator; and sixth, the OR operator. For example, in the expression result equals 2 plus 3 times 4, the multiplication operation is performed before the addition operation, so the expression is evaluated as 2 plus the result of 3 times 4, which equals 14. In summary, we have covered essential types such as arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. We have also learned key concepts like operator precedence, type compatibility, Boolean logic, and expression evaluation. You are now ready to build powerful Go applications. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.